What animals do you see?
Animal.
What?
Animal.
What is this right here? What's this right here?
Animal.
Is that a tiger?
Daddy.
What sound does a tiger make?
Daddy. Daddy.
Birdie. What sound does a tiger make? What sound does a tiger make? Wow. Oh, okay. What sound does a snake make? Okay, let's see what other kind of animals we have here. Oh, what else do we see? What's this?
Animal.
Animal. What is it? Monkey?
Monkey.
What sound does a monkey make? Very good. Oh, what is that? What's this right here? What is that? Elephant? What sounds elephant make? Very good. What sound does a tiger make?
Wow.
Hey, okay, there we go. What's that right there? What is that?
Froggy.
Froggy. What sound does a froggy make?
Ribbit.
What?
Froggy.
What sound does a frog make?
Ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What sound does a horsey make? What sound does a horsey make? Right? What sound does a sheep make? What sound does a sheep make? What kind does a sheep make? Very good. What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Very good.
Moo.
What sound... One other one. What sound does a chicken make?
Honk, honk.
No. What sound does a pig make? What sound does a pig make?
Animal.
Huh? Alright. What sound does a piggy make?
Ribbit.
Huh? Okay, we're all done. Say thank you.
Thank you.